Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ukasha. In Surah Al-Ijrat, Allah said that all the Muslims who live in the entire world are the brother of another Muslim. Every Muslim should respect their Muslim brother. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Innama al-mu'minuna ikhwatan fa aslihu bayna akhwaykum wattaqullaha la'allakum turhamun. Tarjuma. Muslims are brothers, therefore make peace between the two brothers and fear Allah, that the mercy may be shown to you. This verse is all about brotherhoodness. And in Surah Al-Ijrat, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala enjoyed Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam that two Muslim women talk with the beardless and stranger, and to hide and save herself completely from a stranger. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Innal ladhina yunadunaka min wara'il ujurati aksaruhum la yaqilun. Tarjuma. Undoubtedly, those who call you from behind your private apartment, and most of them stupid. This verse is all about hijab. In Surah Hijrat, Allah said in the Quran to the Muslim, don't cross your limit and always afraid from Allah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu la tuqaddimu bayna yadayi Allahi wa rasulahu wattaqullaha innallaha as-sami'un alim. O believer, accept not our Allah and His Messenger, and fear Allah undebatedly. Allah hear now. Thank you.